Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about incorporating exercise into your daily routine. We all know how important it is to stay active, but sometimes it can be challenging to find the time to exercise. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 simple ways to make exercise a part of your daily routine. Step number 1. Wake up early and start your day with a quick workout. It doesn't have to be anything intense. Just a simple stretching routine or a short yoga session can get your blood flowing and help you feel energized for the day ahead. Step number 2. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. This is a simple way to incorporate exercise into your daily routine without taking up any extra time. If you work in a building with multiple floors, challenge yourself to climb a few flights of stairs each day. Step number 3. Make exercise a social activity. Instead of meeting up with friends for drinks or dinner, suggest going for a walk or a bike ride together. Not only will you be getting some exercise, but you'll also be able to catch up with your friends at the same time. Step number 4. Do some quick exercises during your lunch break. If you have a busy schedule and can't find time to exercise outside of work, try doing some quick exercises during your lunch break. You could do some squats, lunges, or push-ups in a quiet corner of the office. Step number 5. Get up and move around every hour. If you have a desk job, it's important to take breaks throughout the day and move around. Set an alarm to remind you to get up and stretch, or take a quick walk around the office. Step number 6. Incorporate exercise into your commute. If you live close enough to work, try biking or walking instead of driving. Not only will you be getting some exercise, but you'll also be reducing your carbon footprint. Step number 7. Make exercise a part of your evening routine. Instead of watching TV or scrolling through social media before bed, try doing some gentle yoga or stretching exercises. This can help you relax and unwind before going to sleep. Thanks for watching our video on 7 ways to incorporate exercise into your daily routine. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, exercise doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By making small changes to your daily routine, you can stay active and healthy. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content.